Yes, today we're going to see what things start with this letter. What letter is this one? Yeah, you're right. This is the letter W. And the sound it makes is W. W. Let's see. Look at this. Yeah, this is a piece of wood. 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 What is it? Wood. Wood. I'm gonna put the piece of wood here. What time is it? Oh, look. I have this one. This thing tells time. What is this? Watch. Watch. I'm gonna put it there. Ooh, it's so noisy. What is it? Oh, it's a whistle. Whistle. Okay, I'm gonna put the whistle here. It's just too noisy. And what is this? Oh, I know what this one is. This one is wall. This is a wall. Yum 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 yum. It's so refreshing. What is the name of this fruit? Yeah, this is a watermelon. Watermelon. Wow! Look, it's getting bigger and bigger. Wow! This is the biggest animal in the ocean. What is it? A whale. Yes, this is a whale. Whale. Go back to the ocean, whale. So now you know some things that start with the sound W. You can repeat it by yourself, okay?